Welcome to the English Asia Learning English series, where we unravel the meaning of words and understand their uses in a sentence. Today we explore the use and meaning of the word propagate. Welcome to today's enlightening journey through the fascinating world of propagate. Ever wondered how ideas spread or plants grow? Let's dive in. Before we explain the mystery of propagate, let's see if you can guess its meaning. Quiz time. So what does propagate mean? Is it A, to keep something secret, or B, to spread and promote something widely, or C, to erase something? Propagate, at its core, involves spreading or promoting something widely. This could range from an idea, knowledge, to even plant species. It means to spread and promote something widely, like ideas, information, or beliefs, to reach a larger audience and generate awareness. In the botanical world, to propagate is to reproduce plants. This can happen through seeds, cuttings, or other plant parts, ensuring the continuation of green life. Imagine you find a plant you love. To propagate it, you might take a leaf or stem cutting and plant it, eagerly watching new growth begin. But it's not just about plants. Propagate extends to concepts and information. Think of your favorite viral video. It propagated through shares and views. Now let's use propagate in a sentence. The teacher aimed to propagate a love for reading among her students by introducing diverse books. Now back to our quiz. If you chose B, to spread and promote widely, congratulations! You've grasped the essence of propagate, understanding its role in both the natural world and the realm of ideas. Remember, whether it's a plant or a piece of potent information, the power to propagate is in your hands. Spread wisely and watch wonders grow. If you find the English Asia learning videos helpful, please subscribe to our channel for future videos which we will be posting consistently. We would also be grateful if you shared the videos with your friends and spread the word.